White vinegar has many uses both in cleaning and cooking, but did you know that apple cider vinegar actually has twice more benefits? There are many health benefits associated with this ingredient, such as curing hiccups, minimizing colds, and even treating various diseases like cancer and diabetes. So what other uses can you actually do with apple cider vinegar? Hi, I'm Anna. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be discussing the many uses of apple cider vinegar. Here are some to get you started. Number 1, it can treat sore throat. As soon as you feel that your throat is starting to itch or become sore, get your apple cider vinegar immediately. To put together this remedy, you will need to mix 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar with the same amount of warm water and gargle with it every hour until the symptoms of sore throat disappears. Number 2, it can be an all-purpose cleaner. We often rely on toxic chemicals to clean our surroundings, but do we really need to risk our health in the process? Using apple cider vinegar as a cleaning agent is not exactly new, but rarely has it been used with all the commercial cleaning products being sold today. But if you want to avoid the risk of using these cleaning products in the wrong manner, just mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water in a spray bottle and spray on areas that need to be cleaned, and you're done. This solution can eliminate the smell plus any bacteria that may be building up. Number 3, it can eliminate stuffy noses. Is your nose stuffy? Instead of loading up on over-the-counter medications, the best thing to do is to get your apple cider vinegar from the pantry and use it as treatment. What's great about this ingredient is that it contains potassium, which helps thin your mucus for better sinus drainage. Also, the acetic acid that is present in apple cider vinegar can eliminate any germs that are growing so that it will be easier for you to get rid of the blockage in your sinus. Just mix a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of warm water and drink it. Number 4, it can enhance your garden. If your garden is not looking so great right now, or when you spot weeds growing here and there, you will definitely love how apple cider vinegar can eliminate the weeds before they overrun your space. You can either pour some apple cider vinegar on the affected area or mix 10 ounces of apple cider vinegar with 10 gallons of water and use it as fertilizer for your soil. You don't need any other products as the apple cider vinegar will suffice in killing off pests and weeds. These are just a handful of uses for apple cider vinegar. So you see, this is definitely one kitchen item that should not disappear in your pantry. That's the many uses of apple cider vinegar. If you like watching this video, please share it to your friends.